Hi guys, happy Friday. Today we're going to be talking about something called a deponent verb, and you may be looking at your notes on page 7 and wondering what is going on, but it'll all make sense in just a few moments. Okay, so deponent verbs are a special, unique set of verbs that do not follow the rules of other verbs. Okay, deponent verbs, when you see them, will look like they are passive voice, meaning they will have your aurister, murminienter endings. And even though deponents look passive, okay, they actually are going to translate as active. Okay, so what's going on with this picture? This picture is this guy named RuPaul. And he is a very famous cross-dresser. So half of the time he looks one way, and the other half of the time he looks another way, but he's still the same person. Okay, so he looks like a woman. Can't spell woman, the struggle is real. Okay, he looks like a woman, but he's actually a man. Right? That's how deponents verbs are. They look like they're passive, even though they translate active. Get it? Get it? If you don't get it, you can go online and watch RuPaul's Drag Race. It's a great show. Okay, so here we go. We are comparing some words here. Right, this verb habeo, habere, habui, habitus means to have, while the verb kono, konor, konari, konatus means to try. Okay, so which one of these two is the regular verb? That is letter A. Hold on. Oh my gosh, so sorry. Okay, letter A is your regular verb. Your first part ends in an O, your infinitive ends in an RE. Okay, the deponent verb is letter B. Okay, instead of the first part ending in an O, it'll end in an R. And instead of an RE, it'll end in an RI. And you'll notice conveniently that the third principal part, habui, okay, does not exist down here. We have the last part that have things in common, but not to the third principal part, and we'll explain why later. So when you see these deponent verbs, they look a little bit different from the start. Okay, moving down to the bottom though, if you're identifying your deponent verbs, they look just like passive voice. So, batur, igresi estes, ingredimer. Okay, and this one, I don't know why every year I don't fix it, but cross out number 4 because it's essentially the same as number 3. It just has another word added to it. Okay, so number 1, the spectators. Okay, and our verb here looks passive, but it's going to translate active, but still imperfect tense. We're talking about the new arch. Okay, that's number 1. That's terrible, I didn't circle it at all. Number 1. Okay, number 2, we've got what looks like a perfect passive, but again, it's just going to translate like perfect tense. Why do you all go out from the city suddenly? Okay, you still have to look at your verb ending to know that your subject is you all, right? Sorry, why did you all? Because it's perfect tense. Mea culpa, mea culpa. Okay, finally, you are going to, let's do the last one. Okay, so number 3 we'll do down here. Okay, mer is your subject, and it's present tense. We go in Forum Romanum, the Roman Forum. Okay, so again, you have to think about what tense you have going on, like imperfect tense, perfect tense, present tense. Okay, imperfect tense, perfect tense, present tense. Okay, and translate it correctly. Okay, that is something that makes deponent verbs a little bit difficult, is kids see them and they don't realize that they are actually deponent. Okay, we're going to go over, like I said, if a deponent verb is deponent, it's like always deponent. It doesn't like switch. So we're going to go through now your ones. Conor, conari, conatus means to try. Sorry if my writing is kind of bad because I don't have my pencil. I'm like writing with my finger. Okay, moror, morari means to delay. Okay, hortor means to try. Vereor means to fear. Progredior means to advance or progress. Okay, loquor means to speak. Patior means to suffer. Proficiscor means to set out. Sequor means to follow. Egredior means to go out. Ingredior means to go in. And regredior means to go back. Dogs, stop it. Sorry. Okay, so now that you've copied down all of your notes on page 7, okay, I want you to turn and look at page 5. Okay, go ahead and look and turn and look at page 5. Page 5, since I'm not with you there today, what I really want you to do, okay, is I want you to work on translating the sentences. Okay, in my video today, I haven't talked about how to select the right verb. We'll work on that later. So I'm going to give you the verb that you need to circle, but then I want you to translate the sentence. Okay, so number 1 should be conata est. Number 2 should be conspicatus est. Number 3 should be regressa est. Number 4 should be loquebatur. Okay, number 5 should be ingressus est. Okay, number 6, egressus est. Okay, number 7, conspicatus est. Number 8 should be conatus est. Conatus est. Sorry. Ugh, that A is terrible. Conatus est. Number 9. Wait. Did I skip one? Oh, no, I skipped number 7. Guys, the struggle. I'm so sorry. You're like, what the heck? Okay, so number 6 should be, no. Which one did I skip? Ingressus, S is number 5. Regressus, oh, it's number 7 that I skipped. So sorry. Ugh. Okay. This one should be adeptus est. Okay, number 8 should be conspicatus est. Number 9 is going to be conatus est. And number 10 is going to be regressa est. Sorry about those mistakes there, guys. What would a video be without a mistake from Mr. Sino? Okay, so again, we'll talk about how to choose them later on, but you see here you've got 2 different tenses. When you've got 2 words and the second word is est, like in 9 out of these 10, keep in mind that that is perfect. Okay, they look passive, but they're going to translate active. So the active perfect tense translates as verbed. Okay, this one here, loquebatur, that is imperfect. Okay, that's going to translate as was or were verbing. Okay, so I want you to try numbers 1 through 10 on page 5. Okay, and we're going to check over these tomorrow. Okay, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below on the Edmodo page. And I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. Be angel babies for the sub. Wale.